You need to tell it.
Yeah. It's all the way, chef. Yeah, 2 chicken, 2 pork, 1 cabbage, 1 venison. You got 3 pork on, yeah? Yeah, all good. Fire mushroom cuttlefish chicken skewer. Fire cuttlefish chicken venison.
Thank you, chef. Brilliant.
Oh, cheers, Nicky.
Fucking amazing.
Enjoyed yourself.
Love it. Good. Love it.
Glad you liked it, mate.
Well done, yeah.
Service. 2 chicken, 22.
Chef, 2 portions of half left after.
22.
Yeah, you can have them. Pass it, do it here.
What?
We have 2 portions of carfish left after this.
What? Not got anything in the freezer?
We have 200 grams left in the freezer as well.
John, we're out of cuttlefish. 2 portions left. Service, please. Venison, table 6. So you got 2 in order, 2 left, yeah? 2 in order, 2 left. Huh? Yeah. Okay, that's it. Did you get me a manager? So chicken skewer coming up. Cabbage 22, please.
22.
Yeah.
I'll give you 3 pork when it's ready.
Yeah, give me 1 chicken.
It would be if you go. If Will says anything about me, just ignore it, okay? Funny. Don't take it seriously.
Ollie, what's that herb on top of that?
That would be a little baby mint chip.
Embarrassing, isn't it?
It's baby mint.
Pasty 71. You know what it is, don't you? Baby mint, yeah. That classic combination. Mushroom pasty with baby mint.
What's the baby mint?
No, it's not. It's chervil. Have you tried chervil before?
Chef, how long on the skewer on 81?
Why are they kicking off?
It's been a while, yeah.
Coming up now.
Thank you, Chef.
Sam messed up and he had to go downstairs to get him because he ran out.
No worries. Let's chat.
Delicious, right? Aniseed. Can I get some more sprunion mix, please? Service, please. Chicken, 71. Desperate for 3 pork chop. Right, mushrooms coming up. 2 cuttlefish. Service, please. Chicken, 88.
88.
Service. Service. Cabbage, octopus, table 3. So pork, cabbage, octopus coming next. Then octopus venison at the back. Service, please. Cuttlefish, 33. Service, please. Cuttlefish. 19. Do they have oysters yet? 1 cuttlefish, 42. Fire 1 more cuttlefish, okay?
You been 25 though, Chef?
25 now. What are you missing? Yeah, it is. Huh? Bit of glazeage. You're getting a little bit rustic, aren't they? I told the dunk. Go for it. You're missing 25, chef.
Oh, that's it. That's it. Not of course, there's a second.
Yeah. Service. Just getting slightly rustic on the flatbreads now, mate. Try and keep them a bit tighter, the flatbreads. Yeah. how we get busy now, aren't we? Pushing. 2 more, please. Right, lamb ribs at the back. 19.